Delete a line in Visual Studio without copying it. There is the shortcut Shift+Del to delete a line, but I want to delete the line without modifying what is in the clipboard. Is there some way to configure it or another shortcut?
By default, if you are using the C# default profile, you can delete a line using Ctrl+Shift+L. You can customize this using Tools, Customize. Select Keyboard. Look for the command edit.limit to assign it to whichever keyboard shortcut you like.
If you got here looking for an answer for Visual Studio Code, the default shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+K for Windows, +Shift+K for macOS. However, you can change on, File is greater than Preferences is greater than Keyboard Shortcuts. For Visual Studio answer, see at Heavy's answer.
Will work fine for both Windows and Linux.
Go to Tools Options. Tab Environment, sub-tab Keyboard. Select Edit.Line Delete. Assign a shortcut. That's it. I use Alt+D.
Envie o link de suporte de Chanel. Aliás, considere subscrever.